Tell me about space.
Space is time demonstrated. In truth, there is no such thing as space, pure, empty space with nothing in it. Everything is something. Even the emptiest space is filled with vapors so thin, so stretched out over infinite areas that they seem to not be there. Then after the vapors are gone, there is energy, pure energy. This manifests as vibration, oscillations, movements of the all at a particular frequency. Invisible energy is the space which holds matter together. Once, using your linear time as a model, all the matter in the universe was condensed into a tiny speck. You cannot imagine the denseness of this, but that is because you think that matter as it now exists is dense. Actually, what you now call matter is mostly space. All solid objects are 2% solid matter and 98% air. The space between the tiniest particles of matter in all objects is enormous. It is something like the distance between heavenly bodies in your night sky. Yet these objects you call solid. At one point, the entire universe actually was solid. There was virtually no space between the particles of matter. All the matter had the space taken out of it. And with the enormous space gone, that matter filled an area smaller than the head of a pin. There was actually a time before that time when there was no matter at all, just the purest form of highest vibration energy, which you would call antimatter. This was the time, before the physical universe as you know it existed. Nothing existed as matter. Some people conceive of this as paradise or heaven because nothing was the matter. It's no accident that today in your language, when you suspect something is wrong, you say, "What's the matter?" In the beginning, pure energy, me, vibrated, oscillated so fast as to form matter, all the matter of the universe. You too can perform the same feat. In fact, you do every day. Your thoughts are pure vibration, and they can and do create physical matter. If enough of you hold the same thought, you can impact, even create portions of your physical universe.
Is the universe now expanding?
At a rate of speed you can't imagine.
Will it expand forever?
No, there'll come a time when the energies driving the expansion will dissipate and the energies holding things together will take over, pulling everything back together again.
You mean the universe will contract?
Yes, everything will quite literally fall into place, and you'll have paradise again. No matter, pure energy. In other words, me. In the end, it'll all come back to me. That is the origin of your phrase, it all comes down to this.
But that means that we will no longer exist.
Not in physical form, but you will always exist. You cannot not exist. You are that which is.
What will happen after the universe collapses?
The whole process will start all over again. There will be another so-called Big Bang, and another universe will be born. It will expand and contract, and then it will do the same thing all over again and again and again, forever and ever, world without end. This is the breathing in and breathing out of God.